Ever heard someone say, "Don't buy a red car. You'll get pulled over all the time"? It's one of those things people swear is true. But is it? Apparently, red cars are more eye-catching, and that's why people think cops love pulling them over. It's like they're screaming, "Look at me, I'm fast." But is color really what catches a cop's eye? Here's a little secret. It's not the color of the car that gets you pulled over. It's things like, "Oh, I don't know." Speeding. Studies show that it's your driving behavior, like going 20 miles over the limit, that's going to attract attention, not the paint job. A study from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety shows that red cars don't get more tickets than other colors, black, white, silver. They're all just as likely to get pulled over. So no, it's not about the color. Sorry red car owners, you're off the hook. The truth is, reckless driving is what gets you those flashing lights in the rearview. You could be driving a bright red Ferrari or a beige minivan. The cops are looking for speeding, reckless driving, and breaking the law, not the color of your ride. So next time someone says red cars get more tickets, you can confidently say, "That's just a myth." Drive responsibly, and no matter the color, you'll avoid those expensive tickets.